Trees. They provide us with beauty, shade, wood for our homes, medicine for our good health, food for our table, and most importantly, oxygen. For without it, there would be no life on our planet. Hi, my name is Bailey. I am 13 years old. I have been in 4-H for 5 years, and I'm the junior leader for the Trees for Schools project. 3 years ago, a few members from Cottonwood 4-H decided we wanted to make a difference in a problem our community faced: lack of nutrition.
In recent decades, there has been an alarming increase in cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and obesity in our society. Many of these problems are related to poor nutrition.
We wrote a Revolution of Responsibility grant and used those funds to develop a project to educate school children on better eating choices. We donated baskets of fresh fruit to the school and gave presentations on how to eat healthier. Last year, we shifted our focus to another huge problem in our society: lack of trees.
Worldwide, I was shocked by the amount of deforestation, despite the fact that trees help reduce the amount of CO2 gases in the atmosphere, which contribute to global warming. The lack of trees is a serious global and local problem.
We applied for another $1,000 Revolution of Responsibility grant, this time to plant trees at local parks. We partnered with the City of Woodland and the Woodland Tree Foundation to hold a tree planting day at 3 local parks. Hundreds of people attended the tree planting day, and the event showed everyone the need for trees. We decided to combine the two great ideas and plant fruit trees at schools, and so we started our challenging and exciting project.
The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So, I contacted my Cottonwood 4-H team members.
This year, we added 3 new members to our original team of 4. So now with myself, Nick, Colin, Ethan, Grant, Ethan, and Amelia, we began applying for our third $1,000 Revolution of Responsibility grant, and then we waited for them to respond. When we received the grant money, we got started right away and met with Whitehead Elementary twice before we planted 10 fruit trees there on March 21st, our first tree planting day. When we arrived at the Whitehead campus, we set up the trees and stakes and then started digging holes just as the first group of kids started filing out onto the patio. Then, a member gave a prepared speech on the values of nutrition and handed out apples to all the children.
So would you come over and finish 2 lines?
Then it was my turn. I gave a presentation on how to plant a tree. They're gonna push it down around again, make it packed in. And can you see what looks like a little bit of a moat around the tree? And that is for when we water it, water will collect. Here's your new tree. Thank you. We all went into the garden to finish planting the trees there. On each tree, we placed a tag informing others about the trees, our project, and the benefits of 4-H. Again, I gave 2 short talks, but this time it was about 4-H, and then I answered questions. The planting was a success. We received lots of positive feedback from the school, kids, and adults.
What do you think? Like it?
We were pleased with our work and couldn't wait to continue. We didn't have to wait long because we were informed that SciTech Academy wanted to have trees planted at their school to go with the newly installed garden. Our team agreed to help, so I met with the principal of SciTech.
Adding fruit trees is like the next natural step for us, so this is great. It's like win-win. Congratulations, appreciate it. Thank you. I look forward to it.
We went outside and looked at the available sites to plant at. Then, we marked the ones that we thought best. Just 20 days later, after purchasing, with my team, all the trees, stakes, and supplies needed, our team gathered on the SciTech campus to plant 10 trees there. Again, I gave 2 speeches about trees in 4-H.
What kind of fruit trees?
What kind of fruit trees? Well, here we have a plum pot, which is a cross between a plum and an apricot. I will have to say, this is one of the hardest places to plant at. The ground was hard, and the gopher cages, which were needed to keep the gophers from eating the tree's roots, were very difficult to set up. But with our team members' positive attitude and the community's help, we finished planting in no time at all. Overall, this project was a great success, and our goal of combining the past year's projects was achieved. We spread word of the values of nutrition and trees to children by planting fruit-bearing trees at schools in our community.
trees that will provide the community with shade, cleaner air, a safer community, a cooler planet, and even some tasty, nutritious fruit.
What a perfect conclusion to our successful campaign for good nutrition and environmental awareness in our community.
Join our revolution! Join our revolution!